yeah, one for the dads. And also the 8th graders with in between medium and long hair. It's like cut to here. They got a Zeppelin shirt. They got a flannel on every day. No matter what year it is, there will be that group at your middle school. I promise you. Anyway, we're doing Living Loving Maid by Led Zeppelin off Led Zeppelin 2. Yell at me if I'm wrong, but I think it's 2. So if you thought, hey man, I can't play a Jimmy Page solo, that's too hard for me. Well, I'm here to prove you wrong. So let's dive right in. We're in 14th position. We're gonna be in 14th position, but we're gonna slide up into it. So we'll actually start in 12th position. Our ring finger will play the 14th fret on the D string, and we're gonna slide up into 16. So it starts like this. So we slide from 14 to 16, 14 to 16 on D, and then 14 on G, back to 16 on D, and then 14, 16 on G. So, and then we're gonna do a bend on 16. We're gonna bend it, bring it back down, bend it, bring it back down, and then pull off to the 14th fret. You can pick that 14th fret if you want. I think Jimmy Page may pull off, but I don't know, you won't get sued if you pick it, and that might sound a little cleaner. So, first phrase sounds like this. Cool, and as always, we're keeping our picking hand moving throughout, subdividing 8th notes for this one. Phrase 2 sounds like this. Still in 14th position, we're gonna bend 17 on the B string. So, a couple quick bends. Those are upstrokes, right, because they're on the ands. And then we're gonna go up, 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 down, and then up, and then 15, 14 on B. Moving right along, phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So, quick recap in case you already forgot that. It's cool, and then we're gonna do this big chromatic walk up, starting on the 5th fret of the B string. So it's at the end, we'll hit 13, and then 14, 13, and then bend 14 up a half step. The important thing about this is the picking. We're not gonna do our standard consistent alternate picking on this one because the timing, let me check here for you guys. Oh, well, that won't move. The timing, I think, is an 8th note followed by a 16th note, whatever, you'll see it in the music. Look at the timing. You can see that it's not consistent 8th notes. We have 16th here. So what we're gonna do is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So like this. And all those upstrokes are mutes. So we've got 13, hold it, and then 14, 13, bent. I'm using just my first finger to move up from 15 all the way up to 13, and then I'll stay in 13th position so I can use my middle finger for 14, and then you can use both fingers to hit that bend, make sure it's super strong. Let's try this all together. 4 phrases, but only 3 different ones, right? You know, sometimes life is good to us like that. 2, ready, go. There you have it, you're now a guitar legend. It's that simple. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other Led Zeppelin solos you want to learn, or any other band for that matter. Bye.